I just don't understand because I have this thing at like a negative 10 dB for my mic volume. It still says that I have moments where I'm peaking. So if you guys have the DJI Osmo Nano and you know how to fix that, please let me know. I just got done filling up gas. $60 for 12 gallons. That's California for you. Terrible. I hate it. But today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing because I just got a new package from a company called Amberjack. They make some pretty awesome shoes. Could these be my new everyday carry shoes? It just might be. Definition for everyday carry shoes for me is dress shoes. Primarily what I wear every single day for work. I work in an office and I gotta look professional. I've been wearing the Clark's Chelsea boots wide because I got a wide foot. I wear those things almost every single day. And then a company called Amberjack had reached out and was like, hey, you want to check out one of our boots or one of our shoes? Not boots. I actually didn't even know they had boots until I started looking at their catalog. But they do. So they sent me a Chelsea pair and they sent me a low top loafer, which I'm going to be unboxing for you guys and checking out. Purposely wore some sandals today because I knew I was going to throw one of these pairs on and wear them for work. Okay, wait. So before I do that, I just want to let you guys know that I lowered the gain on this DJI Osmo Nano connected to the DJI Mic 2 to negative 12 dB. That's the lowest you can go, 12 decibels. So hopefully this sounds good. I do have a louder pitch or tone compared to most folks. My wife tells me that I'm always loud. So hopefully I'm not peaking and blowing your guys' ears out here, but this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Damn it, Demon Hunters, stuck in my head. Catchy songs, it just stays rent-free in my head because my daughter loves that movie, and I'm sure a lot of other kids do. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. Back to the unboxing. By the way, this is how I came prepared. You know what I'm saying? America. We just won gold. USA hockey, men's and women's. Take that, Canada. Hey? Let's open this up. I'm going to be using this bad boy right here to unbox this. This is from the good folks at Arena Accessories. I feel that shot was overexposing me a little too much, but inside you get this nice little card here. You get a dust bag for the shoes. It's also pretty cool. And then you get the shoes. Ha-ha. Oh, they got this nicely wrapped. There's a lot of overexposure going on right now that I'm not liking in this video. And I want to do it right for you guys. So there's this ND filter that I got from the good folks over at Small Rig. And what's cool about this is that it actually just goes on the lens that's currently on your Osmo Nano. And there's different stops there, as you can see. So we can go, it's on one right, or it's on two right now. So this is one, which is kind of like no filter. And then you got 2, 3, 4, all the way to 5. So I think I just want to stay like right there. That'll give me a good exposure. And comes this little case here, pretty cool. But I just showed you guys the dust bag that comes with it. I showed you guys the card that comes with it as well. And now let's look at the shoes, shall we? So nicely wrapped. Wow. Look at that, guys. These are the Amberjack Chelsea wides. Take that out. Boom. Pretty cool. And then I also got a low top that was sent to me, and this is the slip-on chestnut. So same color, it's just a slip-on instead of a Chelsea boot. You know, what flavor of the day am I feeling? High tops, low tops. I think today I'm gonna throw on the high tops. Throw these on. So I definitely gotta break these in. But immediately I noticed that this one has a little bit of a pull tab right here on the back, but the Chelseas, they don't have a pull tab. Or getting older like me, you start second guessing, bending down. I think that's a plus. Left pair. I'll show you guys how this looks like on feet. That's why I own a shoehorn, but the shoehorn stays at home with my shoes. Take these off. So now, these are what you're looking at right here. That's right. That's what you're looking at right here. These are clean and mean, I tell you. Clean and mean. I'm going to wear these and give you guys an update of how they feel. But they feel, so far, good. I have broken in my Clarks. So that's why these feel a little tighter. Obviously, it's how all dress shoes are when you first start wearing them. But I'm going to break these in and let you guys know what that verdict is. But thank you, Amberjack, for sending these over. Give me 2 pair. I need 2 pair so I can get to stomping in my chest not once. Stomping in my chest not once.